This is a circuit in which a dependent source is being used. Now we will learn how can we implement this circuit in the simulation software, which is LT Spice. One thing is important to learn. We can see the symbol. This symbol is of current. We can understand that this source is current source, and when we look at the coefficient, we can see that this is also current. This current source is dependent on I naught, which means that this I naught is controlling this current source. So we can say that this element is current control current source. So what we can do, we have to implement this circuit in LT Spice. Let's start. We make these connections. Okay, now for finding the current control current source, simply type F and you can read the detail: linear current dependent current source, which means that this is current control device. So place it here. Now make the connections. And one thing more, in current control current source, we have to place a voltage source in series with the branch in which the current is flowing and the current which is controlling the current source. For example, in this case, we can see that this current control current source is dependent on I naught flowing through 2 ohm resistance. So we also have to we know that the current is flowing through R1, so we have to place a voltage source of 0 volt in series with R1. So we do this voltage source, place it here, connect it and complete the connection. Now let's choose the values. We have 6 amperes, 2 ohm, and then we have 8 ohm. Okay, and choose the values for voltage source as 0, and I give the name V. Okay, for current source we have the coefficient of 1/4. We can see that it has a coefficient I naught by 4. So it means that this current source dependent on the current flowing here. So we can say that current flowing V. This current source is dependent on the current flowing through R1. So which means that current flowing through V1 is the same because both are in series, the current is same. So we can say that this voltage source dependent on V, and what is its value? 1/4. 1/4, which is equal to 0.25. Just place it here, and now we can simulate the circuit. 1 second. Okay, my bad, we have to place the ground. Now run the simulation. Okay, now we have to measure the current and voltage. First we measure the current flowing through here. So we can see that R1, the 4 ampere current is passing through R1, or V voltage source, V 4 ampere. And for voltage, click here, keep clicking until you see a black probe and leave the click. You can see that you have 8 volt here, which is, or you can also check here on down below on the screen, it's 8 volt. So that's all.